Today we're going to review Ruwac's bulk collector. This is a 150-gallon bulk collector designed for fibrous material, whether it be insulation, fine paper dust, dust that normally is too light to fall out of the airstream. You need to use a bulk collector. This is completely an interceptor. It is used in conjunction with a vacuum. You're going to see our vacuum in action later, and we have all different size hoses you can use. So the unique thing about our bulk collector is not only its small capacity size-wise for the 150 gallons, but its accessibility. You're going to have a front access door as well as a top access door. And why is that important? Well, to use this, you're going to be using a breathable bag. The breathable bag is going to be put in from the top and folded over, but to empty it, you're going to be able to slide it out the front. So this is completely accessible. It eliminates the heavy lifting from any operators from having to do any heavy lifting of the material once you've collected it by giving you that front access door. So let's take a look at how it works. All right, so we have our blown-in insulation. This is 3 bags of blown-in insulations. You always want to wear a respirator when dealing with insulation. You'll see that we have a bag overlapped in here, so all the material is going to enter in from the top, go straight into the bag. I have a 4-inch hose and wand, and you're going to see this is going to move the material pretty quickly. We're using a Ruwac 10 horsepower vacuum. We make this in propane, gas, electric. We have all different sizes, but you'll see I'm not even breaking up the clumps. I'm just going to suck up as much as the hose can handle. But the nice thing is we're not clogging any filters here. So the vacuum is actually doing its job, but we're not going to lose any suction. We're going to bring all this material into the vacuum, and we're not going to have any filters to change or replace. Everything's going to go into that bulk bag that we showed you, and you can easily remove that bulk bag and dispose of it properly. Okay, now we're going to open up the bulk collector and we're going to see what we contained. Always going to open the top lid first and take a look. Take a look at what we've got going on here. This is loaded to the top, but you'll see that it's fluffy, so we could actually compact it more. You'll see that it's loading, but we can actually fill it up even more because as it goes in there, it's going to compact. So all that material is in this bulk collector. We're going to easily, again, you're going to wear a respirator because you are dealing with insulation. And you're going to simply take this, tie off the bag in the middle, and then you're going to remove all of that by opening up the front door, and we're going to pull this out the front door. But because we have the top access and the front access, you can pull this right out. I'm actually going to dump this and reuse it again, but you're going to tie that bag off and dispose of it. So that's a review of our 150-gallon bulk collector system by Ruwac.